Hello everyone, welcome here. In my previous videos, we follow how to start on YouTube, create and customize your new channel. Today, we will follow how to upload your first video and do the best setting to be discovered by viewers and get high ranking in YouTube search. Please make sure to watch to the end and subscribe to this channel if you need to support me. The first thing that you need to do, connect to your YouTube channel and in the top right corner, click on camera icon and upload video. Here, drag and drop video files to upload your video, or you can select file on your computer. Your video start to upload on YouTube. It takes a little time depending on your file size. Type your title and your description related to your video topic and different keywords that can help your video to be discovered. Select your video playlist. If you do not have, create one here. For example, meditation, yoga. Leave all other setting by default and click Next. Your video processing, click Next. Here you can check if any issues found with copyright. If no issues found, click Next. Now make your video as public, unlisted or private. Private. Only you and people you choose can watch this video. Unlisted. Anyone with the video link can watch this video, it's not on YouTube search. Public. Everyone can watch your video, it will be in the YouTube search engine and it will be discovered by viewers. You can also schedule at specific date and time to be discovered. Your video will be private before publishing. Before you publish, check the following. Make sure that your video meet YouTube Partner Program policies and community guidelines. Checks complete. No issues found, click Publish. Video published. You can share your video on your social media or do it later and click Close Tape. You can preview your video, it's working well on YouTube. Here is the important steps that you need to do now to get discovered on and telephone to YouTube algorithm that your video is here. Now, how to set up good SEO to your video. Here is the best free tools that you can use to customize your videos TubeBuddy. Follow link in the description. These tools help you find high-performing, searchable video topics, and then craft the perfect titles and tags. They guide you through YouTube's best practices and ensure your videos are set up for success. Just download and install Chrome extension. After that, sign in required to connect your channel. When is connected, you can see your SEO results loading. Here, with your description and tags, we have good result 85%. If you can get 100%, it will be fantastic. I show you some of my video where I get 100%. What is next? Edit your video and download your thumbnail. As you can see, your video has a good presentation and good SEO. I'm sure it's going to go viral and it's going to get more views and subscribers. On my next video, we will follow how to set up homepage and how to create playlists, how to add info cards and end screen, and some other setting that can help you. Let me know your opinion on comment. Please, if you need more videos, subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.